Good morning students. Let's continue our chapter on Jennifer's Tiger. We have completed the reading and explanation in previous videos, and today we are going to discuss some important long questions that based upon this poem. Student, as you can see that there is question number 1. What are the difficulties Aunt Jennifer faced in her life? I hope you have revised the poem and what kind of difficulty she had been faced. Now you understood very well, but I just want to explain in front of you that Aunt Jennifer was a victim of oppression at the hands of the patriarchal society. It means the man-dominated society. She was subjected by her husband at the wedding band lay heavy on her hand. She was so terrified that her hands fluttered even when she carried something so light. The ivory needles she has been using to make her panel as knitting needles and wool, that is all the light material. But she is unable to continue her work very easily, and she thinks that it is really very heavy to her because she has lost all her courage, all her confidence because of all the suppression she has been faced throughout her life. Next question, student. What is the weight that lies heavy on Aunt Jennifer's hand? It is her wedding ring. That is called the massive weight. So what is the weight lies heavy on Aunt Jennifer's hand? The weight that lies heavy on Aunt Jennifer's hand is a weight of uncle's wedding band, the wedding ring, which signifies her married life. Probably the weight of her married life has burdened her so much that she feels like a prisoner inside all the kind of commitment, all the kind of marriage relationship. She have been tried to just fulfill all her responsibilities throughout the life, but that was one-sided because she has been always the subject of. I have already informed you that throughout her marriage life she just given all the type of test. Her patience, her calmness, her desire, her talent, she has sacrificed everything throughout her all married life. Next question, students. Why does Aunt Jennifer choose to embroider tigers on the panel? Maybe she could use some other animal for that, but no. Why she has used the tiger for her panel? Because tigers represent strength and fearlessness. Tiger is also known for the beauty, the skin, the texture, the color, as the poet has compared the skin of the tiger, the color as a bright yellow topaz. Aunt Jennifer is very oppressed. The burden of her marital life has traumatized her. She has an inner desire to be free like a tiger. Tiger lives in a green, beautiful, dense forest and moves freely. But Aunt Jennifer was unable to do so because she has been trapped in so much commitment, so much we can say that the responsibilities in her married life, and desire to be free from oppression and express this in her art. She was unable to oppress, she was unable to protest, she was unable to raise her voice against the exploitation she have been faced throughout her life. But now she is just making the panel using the image of tiger, because tiger is an animal that lives freely, moves freely, and quite fearless and brave and full of courage. Next question, student. What are the ordeals Aunt Jennifer surrounded by? What kind of ordeals the poet is talking about? Ordeals refers to the oppression or painful experiences Aunt Jennifer has to face in a male-dominated society. The poet uses the word ringed. Ring in the context of demand of society. Ring, like we can just imagine that sometime the wild animals are used just to present in circus and many other kind of shows, and they have to be ringed. It means they are living in prison and they are mastered by the ringmaster. Here also compare the same imaginations for the Mrs. Jennifer and Jennifer, because she is also as a subject of domination, and she has been living all the life like an animal in the prison. She was not thought to be a human being. She was not thought to be a creature. She was not thought to be a lady, a living creature. She was just treated like an animal, and she is the victim of exploitation at the hands of male dominated society. The poet used the word ringed in the context of the demands of society which she is surrounded by. Throughout her life, and maybe even after, she will controlled by the society's rules. Ringed is also used here to mean the chain or bonded. She was living like a slave. And the last question, interpret the symbols found in this poem. So many kind of symbol we have found poems. There are many symbols used in poem. Tigers are a symbol of strength and fearlessness. They are also symbolic of Aunt Jennifer's inner desire to be free from oppression. Ring is another symbol which represent bondage. Wedding band is a symbol of oppression. And Jennifer herself is a symbol of women who are victimized. She never been thought as a decent, as a soft, as a living creature. She always been the subject of the exploitation, subject of torture, and so many kind of restrictions in her family. And at the one side, she have to fulfill all the responsibilities, all the duties of her life. She successfully did all that, but now she is unable to move her fingers just to complete the panel. She is terrified because of all the type of torture she has faced in her life. But the tiger she is making on her panel is really quite different from her own character, and she is representing her own strength, her inner capability, her inner power in the form of tigers. Students, I hope you have completed the poem as well as the questions, and this is very important for syllabus also. Just revise and do these questions in your notebook, and we will continue some other part of the syllabus. Goodbye. Thank you.